everyone, and welcome to another brochure video. Today I'm going to be looking at Pure Performance upright vacuum cleaners by German brand Sebo. This brochure is best described as a leaflet because it only covers 6 A4 sides. Pure Performance, advanced design, outstanding performance, ultra clean. Consumer durable. Made in Germany, Sebo vacuum cleaners are built to last. Their quality of design and construction means that they give exceptional performance year after year. Versatile vacuuming. Easy to handle. The low handle weight, comfortable grip and easy gliding action make for effortless cleaning. With carrying handles at both front and rear, they are also convenient to lift. Award-winning reliability. Independent surveys consistently show Sebo to be the most reliable upright brand, and Sebo regularly comes top in independent performance tests. Sebo gives you outstanding cleaning performance on carpet, hard floor and pet hair. 100% allergen filtration. Light and easy to use. Guaranteed belts. A total carpet care system. 5-year parts and 2-year labour guarantee. Extended reach. Sibo Automatic X machines have a patented integral hose and wand for instant use. A long extension hose is also available, standard with the X4 Extra and X5 Extra, giving you a reach of up to 6 meters. The very long 10-meter cable also gives a tremendous cleaning range without having to change power points. Flat out. Sebo upright cleaners will work when completely flat, making it possible to vacuum under furniture and other difficult areas. Intelligent design. Computer control system. An onboard computer is at the heart of the enhanced reliability and performance of Sebo Automatic X machines. Powered height adjustment. The computer controls the powered height adjustment system, automatically ensuring that the brush is always at the optimal cleaning position and even compensating for brush wear. Auto shutdown. If the computer detects a problem, such as a jammed brush or a blockage, it automatically shuts down the machine to prevent damage. Guaranteed belts. Smooth belts waste power. They slip and stretch, break, and are awkward to replace. Sebo use reinforced tooth belts which won't slip or stretch. They are designed to last the life of the machine. Constant cleaning performance. The vertical design enables air to flow into the microfilter through the sides of the multi-layer bag rather than passing down through all the collected dirt, allowing the vacuum cleaner to give constant cleaning performance. Clean living. No escape for dust. With Sebo, once the dust has been picked up, you never have to face it again. Proven filtration. The exhaust air of the Sebo Automatic X has been independently proven to meet the highest level of filtration, S-Class, by the independent German institute SLG. British Allergy Foundation seal of approval. British Allergy Foundation tests found that the filtration system removes 100% of dust mite allergen and the Sebo bag system made emptying ultra hygienic. Clean and convenient to empty. Open the cover and the bag is automatically unloaded from the machine. Seal the bag and drop it in the bin. Simple. The multi-layer bag effectively retains bacteria, allergens and other potentially harmful substances for safe disposal. This page shows the 3 Sebo Automatic X machines. The base model, the Sebo Automatic X 1.1, the X4 Extra and the X5 Extra. The main differences between the X4 and the X5 are the cleaning width and the weight. A little bit heavier because it's a bigger machine with a wider swept path. And the X1 is a more basic version, slightly lower wattage motor. This has an 1150 watt motor and the other two have 1300 watt motors. Obviously this brochure was printed before the EU regulations. This page shows Sebo's total carpet care with the Duo P dry cleaning powder. Here we can see the optional extras available for the Sebo Automatic X range, including the accessory kit that comprises of a dusting brush, 490mm straight tube, floor and wall brush, and the flexible extension hose, which enables you to reach an extra 6 meters. You can buy those tools in the kit or they are available separately. We also have the Sebo Stair and Upholstery Turbo Brush, a combined micro/odor charcoal filter, a special upholstery nozzle, Sebo Fresh air fresheners, and a delicate floor brush. The back page shows Sebo Airbelt K1 suction cleaner. Sebo are approved by Axminster Carpets Limited, Sebo the Intelligent Choice, made in Germany, and this particular brochure was printed in September 2004. So there you go, that's the end of today's brochure video. If you want to check out Sebo cleaners in action, you'll find a playlist on my channel where I've tested dozens of different Sebo cleaners. I've said before that Sebo are my favourite modern vacuum cleaner brand. If I only had one brand I could pick to use in my home, it would be a Sebo, and that's based on my own preferences and experiences. I've not been sponsored by Sebo to say that, and I've not had anything so far given to me free from Sebo, so everything I've shown you that is Sebo related I've paid for myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Bye for now.